Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your iPad gameplay using OBS Studio. So let's begin. In order to record your iPad gameplay using OBS Studio, you're going to need the following things. First of all, your iPad. I have the iPad Air 5 and it has a USB Type-C connector. Secondly, you're going to need a USB Type-C to HDMI converter if you have the USB Type-C iPad. If you have the Lightning one, then you need to have the Lightning to HDMI converter because we are going to send our iPad game feed to our laptop. So you can buy any of them. I have this cheap one which gets the job done. However, you can buy the ones that are officially made by Apple. The next thing is that you're going to need a video capture card or a video capture device. In this case, I bought this one from AliExpress. It was quite cheap, and again, the more better you're going to get, the better recordings you're going to have in OBS. So this records at about max 1080p. If you want to record in 4K, then first of all your iPad should support it, and secondly you need to have a good video capture card. Elgato makes the best one, but they are very expensive. So if you're just starting out, you can get these cheap ones which get the job done. Lastly, you're going to need an HDMI to HDMI cable, and after that you're going to need your Windows machine or laptop on which you are going to install OBS Studio. Other than that, we're going to need an active internet connection just to download and install OBS. So first of all, let me show you how you can connect all these things, and then I'm going to show you how you can download and install OBS. So setting it up is pretty simple. All you need to do is to get one end of your HDMI cable, connect it to the converter. As you can see, the other end of the converter will be connected to your iPad like this. The other end of the HDMI cable will be connected to your video capture card, and this end will be connected to your Windows machine on which we are going to install OBS Studio. So this is how your setup is going to look like: the iPad with the converter to the HDMI cable, and then we have our video capture card, and then we are going to connect it to our Windows machine. So I'm not going to power on the iPad yet. So first of all, let me show you how to download and configure OBS to capture audio and video from the iPad. So you're going to open your Windows machine and open any browser. You're going to open the website obsproject.com/download. The link will also be in the video description just for your easiness. So from here you need to select your operating system. Since I am on Windows, I'm going to click on the Windows icon and it's going to show you the Windows installer. So what we're going to do is simply click on download installer, and here you can see the download has begun. So the size of the OBS is 133 MB and it will be downloaded within 2 minutes. So we are going to wait. Once OBS has been downloaded, right click on the setup and run it as an administrator. From here just simply install OBS. You can change the default destination location as well. Click on finish. And here we have OBS Studio. So if you want to do streaming, you can optimize for streaming or for recording. So since we are recording iPad gameplay, I'm going to click on optimize for recording. Click on next. Here is your base canvas which is 1920 1080. Click on next and just click on apply settings because you can change these settings later as well. And this is the main interface of OBS Studio. Before we do any changes, click on the settings icon. From here we're going to go to output, and from simple we're going to go to advanced. So we're going to go into the recording section. Again, you can play with all of these settings available. From here I'm going to change the recording path so that whenever I save recording from OBS, it is saved in a particular folder. I'm going to click on browse, go to my desktop, and I already made a folder for it. I'm going to select that folder. And for the recording format, I'm going to change it from MKV to MP4 because it works on most media players. And that's all. Again, you can change all these different settings available according to your need. And once it is done, I'm going to click on apply, click on OK. So now in order to record gameplay of your iPad to OBS Studio, we're going to do some changes in the sources setting. First of all, make sure that your iPad is on and is connected with your laptop. As you can see, I have my iPad, it is connected with the converter, and the video capture device is connected with my laptop which has OBS Studio. After that, click on the add button. From here we are going to select video capture device. You can name it anything like iPad feed. Click on OK, and from here you need to select your device. You are going to see an option USB video, and this option will only be available when your video capture device is connected with the laptop and the other end is connected with your iPad. So we are going to select USB video, and here you can see instantly it is showing whatever is being shown on my iPad screen. So if I open any game, it will show you in the OBS Studio as well. So we are going to click on OK. Now there are different audio sources coming. So what we are going to do for desktop audio, we are going to mute it because we only want audio from our iPad. However, if you are doing live streaming etc., where you have connected a dedicated mic to your laptop, then you can enable or disable these options. Same with the mic aux, we are going to disable it. Now if I play the iPad, you can see the iPad feed is showing this audio sign, because not only it is getting video from the capture device, it is also getting the audio. However, you can see that I cannot hear anything from the iPad. This is because all the audio is being sent to OBS Studio. In order to monitor the audio as well, you need to connect headphones to your laptop, and after that in iPad feed, just click on these three dots, click on advanced audio properties. In iPad feed again, you're going to go under audio monitoring, and from here you're going to select the option monitor and output. So what it will do is to record audio and video of your gameplay, but also you will be able to hear the audio when you connect your headphones to your laptop. So in this way you can monitor audio and it is also recorded on the gameplay. After that, just simply click on close and that's it. So once you are done, you can just simply click on the start recording button, and whatever is present on the screen will be recorded using OBS Studio. So let me just play a little demo so you can see that audio and video is being recording on the iPad. So yeah, this is our old game Jetpack Joyride. I really like it, and yeah, so you can see I have played some game. So I'm just simply going to stop the recording. Once the recording has been stopped, I'm going to minimize OBS, go to my output folder, and you can see the screen recording is present. If I open it, you can see we have the screen recording that we just recorded from the iPad. So yeah guys, in this way you can record iPad gameplay using OBS Studio. So if you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe